Currently, there are a lot of faceless YouTube channels, and do you know the most interesting part of it? Those channels are monetized. So, how can you have a faceless YouTube channel and monetize it? The only first thing you need to do is to create a talking avatar like me. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to look at how I created this talking avatar that you can use for your faceless YouTube channel. You can use for your social media posts. You can actually use it to increase the visibility of your business. My name is Goodness Obaresiawo. My business name is Creatives Digital. We are a digital marketing agency. We help you to skyrocket your sales and visibility. So let's dive into this video to see how you can do something like this one. Okay, so you go to your browser, go to the browser and type DIDAI. When you type DIDAI, the first one that would show, you click on it, and when you click on it, you need to sign up. But my own, because I'm already signed up, it will take me directly to where I will be creating the video. So your own, when you open it to sign up, you click on start free trial. When you click on start free trial, you now log in. But my own, I'm already logged in, so we are going directly into the interface where I'll be creating our video. You now click on create video. You can see these videos here. These ones are the ones that I've already created. So you click on create video. You now have where you will choose your avatar. There are a lot of them here. You can also import your own. There are a lot of them you can choose. If you are a premium user, you can choose these ones here. Then you can also use AI inside here to generate your own avatar. Just give it a text prompt. The text prompt you like. You can see what I'm writing here. A young African lady sitting in the office. Okay, so this is just a very simple text prompt I am giving it now. Let us see what it will create for us. So you can give it any text prompt that you want. Just be creative about it and it will generate what you want exactly. So you can see these ones. Let's check some of them out. Let's see what is going to give us. You click on this one, so you see it here. Then you click on another one that you may like and also check it out if it is something you like to use. So this is how to go about using text prompts inside here, or you also select from the avatars they already have here. There are a lot of free ones here, and if you want more, you can pay and select among these premium ones. Then there is a video I already showed us in this my channel. I will keep a link in the description box below so that you will see how you can create your own avatar. So I'm going directly into my laptop to select the avatar I already created. So check the description box below to watch the video on how you can create your own avatar. So now I am uploading my avatar that I've already created. So we can use this avatar we've created to create this video. So I've selected it. What next do we need to do? We need to give this a script. We need to tell it what to say. It's either you type a script here, and there are a lot of languages you can choose from. You can type something here and tell it, select the language you want, either Nigerian English, UK, United States. Then you select either you want male or female and the type of voice you want. You also select it here. Then if you don't want to go this way, okay, so you can also import an audio that you've recorded. You can import an audio. So I'm going to my system to import an audio. So I'm selecting this audio here that I already have recorded. We will now import it to use it. So it is importing. So after importing it, what next? So we have imported it here. You now click on generate video. You click on generate video and your video will be generated. Very easy to do. You click on generate here. Within few seconds your video is out. You have your talking AI avatar. You have, see, these are the ones I already have, I generated before now, and this is the one we just created, Viola. This is it here. So let's check it out.
Currently, there are
You
a
click
lot of
on it
faceless YouTube channels,
and
do you know the
it will
most
start
interesting
playing.
part of
You
it?
see it,
Those
it's
channels
just saying
are
exactly what
monetized.
we gave it
So
to
how
say.
can you
This is
have a
very
faceless YouTube
simple,
channel
very
and
simple to
monetize
create
it?
your own
The only
talking
first thing you
AI
need to
avatar.
do is to create a
Very
talking
simple to
avatar.
do that. Okay, so you can also download this into your system. You can download, or you can copy the link to share with people, or you can also use direct share here and share it with anyone you want. When you do that, just click on it here. You are done.